Thank you guys for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, my name is Elena. I'm a celebrity makeup artist from New York City. So today's video is Emily in Paris inspired. I just watched the whole season. I binged it in like a day and a half. It's so fast to watch. If you guys haven't watched it yet, you definitely should. If you love like a Gossip Girl meets Sex and the City kind of vibe, this is for you. I watched like all 10 episodes in one day, and then at the 10th episode I was like, what? It's over? I need more information. I've kind of been obsessed with her makeup throughout the whole season. She has this very like American meets French girl look, like, you know, the sexy wing liner and like a plum lip. It was cool. I liked how they kind of combined both looks. She's definitely very American, which I can relate to because I feel like I've gone to Paris so many times and they've been like, are you American? I'm like, yes. Why? Is it because I'm loud and I wear like crazy clothes? French girls are just so cool and like so effortlessly chic. Ugh. So I thought that it was a good message that Emily was sending, to just be yourself and be confident and not care. And if somebody doesn't like you, then you force them to like you. Those are words that I swear by. So if you don't like me, I don't care. You're eventually going to like me. And if you don't, whatever, it's fine. We all make mistakes. So if you guys want to find out how I got this very quick, very easy Emily in Paris tutorial, then stay tuned. Okay, let's begin. First thing that I'm going to use is, I'm actually going to use Shape Tape. This color is Fair. I'm going to use this as my base. I'm just tapping it all over the lid for a nice even application. First things first, I'm not going to be Lily Collins without brows. So I'm going to use my amazing Lash Studio Raise Some Brows in dark brown. You just want to draw little strokes to make it look like it's actual hair. Her brows are really natural and really full. We'll go back to them. So the palette that I'm going to use today is my Nude palette by Huda Beauty. The shadows broke in them, but I'm just going to use these three anyway, the matte ones. So the first color that I'm going to grab is the lightest color. It's the one in the center. And I'm just going to place this right on the lid. I'm going to use the same brush for the whole top of the lid and then one different brush for the bottom. So you can get this look with just two brushes. So first you're going to put the light one all over. Then I'm going to grab a medium toned color. It's more of like a peachy. And I'm going to place that right on top and then go right in the crease with that. So I'm just using a little drop of it on top to kind of make it not so white, and then a peach right in the crease. I'm keeping it very light and very bright because I want the liner and the lashes to be the main event. Okay guys, for the liner, I'm going to be using my Almay pen eyeliner. This is a new liner. It's kind of interesting. The tip, I don't know if you can see it. It like has a little ball at the end, really bendable and really flexible. So let's begin. So first things that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a straight line out. And because I have downturned eyes, I have to do my eyeliner a little bit different. So next thing I'm gonna do, I always pull my lid just because it's easier for me. The eyeliner is like the most important part of this look. It's very American in Paris. So after I've got the line on my lid, I'm just gonna go right to the end, but not all the way to the end, kind of right in the middle, and drag it in. And slowly build it up. And because of my eye shape, they're a little bit more downturned, they're deep set. I really don't want to go past where my crease ends, but I can bring it up a little bit further. Your best friend on this look is going to be a makeup wipe. And you just kind of make a little point. And that cleans up the edges. Voila. So I actually used two mascaras on this look. The Almay Thickening Mascara, this color is black. I'm not gonna do lashes for this look because her look is very minimal. She really doesn't wear that much eye makeup. It's mostly just like the liner. There are a few scenes where she's very much full glam, but it's really all about spiky lashes and a really nice sharp line. And because you can always use more mascara. This is the LA Girl Volumatic. I actually used this in my last video. It's black brown, but I'm layering it on top of a black so you can't tell. Okay, and for the underneath the eye, I'm just gonna do that brown color in here with a little pencil brush right in the corners. I really just want to give a little bit of shading towards the outer corners just to kind of accentuate the wing a little bit more, but not be a liner underneath. I want to keep everything bright. For the bottom, I'm going to use this NYX pencil. It's called White Smoke. It's almost like a light purple, like a lavender color. It's really cool. I'm so used to wearing lashes now that I feel like I have no eyelashes, and I know that that's not the case because they are pretty big. Okay, so I'm going to do some foundation. I already have kind of a little bit on, but I'm just going to kind of perfect everything. This is the Pacifica foundation in neutral medium. 26 NM is the actual number on there. I'm going to use my beauty blender. Her skin in that show is so flawless. It always looks perfect. I mean, she has really perfect skin anyway, but it's always very matte with this really light kind of iridescent-y highlight. I'm gonna use Shape Tape in Fair. Like I said, I wanna do everything really bright. So, keeping it bright under the eyes. Some Ben Nye loose powder, the banana one. That was way too much. Tapping my beauty blender right in there. For bronzer, I'm going to use Hula by Benefit. And really get that contour on. Bring the bronzer all the way into the hairline, under the jawline. To finish off my face, I'm going to use an Inglot powder. I actually don't know the name of this, but I will find out and I'll put it in the link below. Lily Collins is a lot more fair than me, and she wears a really bright blush the whole time, which I love, so I'm trying to channel that. Bringing the blush a little bit higher onto my cheekbones too. For my highlight, I'm going to use this Zoeva palette. I'm just going to kind of mix these two guys. They're like a light frosty purple. I'm keeping everything in the cool tones on my face. The second most important part of the look is going to be a brow gel. every time I try and say it, I mess it up. I'm using my amazing Lash Studio in medium brown. Is this a tongue twister? Like, can I just not get it? Brushing those brows up. I'm going to touch up my lips a little bit with my Kat Von D Lolita liquid lipstick. Just using a tiny little brush. I never do plums. They're really pretty though.